Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for taking the time to tune in and watch the video. Out on a small creek this morning, close to the house. It's a cool morning this morning. Been having some cool nights. It's finally cooling off, and I think the bites should be picking up. So we'll get out here and throw some top water early this morning, and maybe swap over to a spinnerbait later on in the day, and see if I can catch some spots and maybe some largemouths. Good day. I think the high is going to be probably up in the mid 80s and not too hot, but hopefully they'll be biting. If you're new here, I'm Brian. You're watching the Dude Fish channel. Welcome to the channel. So guys, y'all come along with me and let's catch some fish. There he is, guys. First fish of the morning, largemouth. Threw it up in that current spinnerbait. As soon as it hit the water, he tore it up. Good fish, about 2-pounder. Booyah 3/8 ounce, so we'll release spinnerbait. Golly. Oh my God, what a bass. Done. That is a beast of a spot, guys. That is a monster spot right there, guys. About 4 pounds probably. He crushed that buzzbait. Absolutely crushed it. That was a hog daddy, guys. Pretty good largemouth, guys. Fat little largemouth, guys, on the buzzbait. He didn't hit it that hard. He didn't hit it near as hard as that spot did. Healthy little fish, though. Decent one. Just a largemouth. Small largemouth guys on the buzzbait. There he is. Looks like a pretty good one too. It's decent. Decent little spotted bass. Had a bait hit the water, had a leaf on it, kind of jerked it. It started spinning, he hit it. He hit it as soon as it come back up on top of the water. Big old spot, guys. Big old spot, guys, on buzzbait. That's a hoss right there. He's probably 20 inches or more. Let's see. Measured him on my paddle. He's about 18.5 inches. He was way up in that current. Go on, bud. He was shallow up in that current right behind a log. Destroyed it. Golly, that was a giant. That's a good fish, guys. Good fish. Good fish, guys. Pretty chunky largemouth. He's been eating, that's for sure. Got a belly on him. Like some crawfish and tentacles hanging out of his throat. Short and fat. Healthy fish. He come out of that wood over there and crushed it. Little red-eye bass, guys, on spinnerbait. Small spot. It might be a red-eye, guys. Ooh, that's a good fish right there. Good fish. About 2 or 3 pounder, look like. I'm not running the trailer hook today. Should be, but I'm not. There's one. Pretty good spot, guys. He absolutely choked this thing. Healthy little guy. I'm on a spinnerbait. Threw that buzzbait this morning, that's hitting it pretty good. I'm gonna try a spinnerbait, see if I can get a few on it on the way back. They're hitting it a little bit. They're hitting it pretty good too. So, all right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's trip. Just want to get out on the creek for a few hours this morning and see if I can catch some on top water, and caught quite a few on top water, 2 nice ones on a buzzbait. That's all I really threw. I probably could have caught some on a whopper plopper or popper or something. They was hitting pretty good, but fished upstream a couple miles, then turned around and came back. Threw a spinnerbait most of the way back, and Caught a few on it, but fished for about 3.5–4 hours and caught quite a few fish. They's hitting pretty good. Great weather today. Felt good this morning. It's nice and cool, and it's probably about 80 now, so it's not too hot. But I'm gonna get out of here and head back to the house. I appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me, and thanks to all the new subscribers for joining the channel. It really means a lot to me. That's gonna do it, guys. We'll catch you next time.